Hi everyone, welcome back to Saylor Financial Fundamentals. Today, I want to help you figure out if you are ready to start trading options. If you're new to options, the terminology can feel overwhelming. I get it. One of my students recently told me how he left a $2,000 options trading class feeling more confused than when he started. He said, "I could tell the presenter knew his stuff, but he didn't make sure I got it." I reminded my student that the presenter made his $2,000 whether his audience learned anything or not. But I'm a longtime educator, and I measure my success by the success of my students. It might seem unrelated, but I have a niche degree in linguistics from Gallaudet University, where I specialized in languages used in deaf communities, such as American Sign Language. This background really helps me understand the importance of fluent, shared communication. When I first started learning options, I didn't even know what questions to ask, and when I did ask, the answers just led to more confusion. After 2 years of figuring it out on my own with no guide, I used my experience as an educator and a linguist to break things down in a way that's easier and faster for others to understand. I want you to take a moment to check your understanding of some terminology. If there are any gaps in your knowledge, let's get them filled before you put your treasure on the line and start trading. If you're not sure about some of the terms I'm about to cover, don't worry. We're going to start with a list of the key terms from Chapter 3 of my ebook, The Novice Investor's Guide to Stocks, Funds, and Options, and my Udemy course, Introduction to Options Trading. You may know that an option is a contract with a specific strike price and expiration date. But do you understand what each of those terms really means? As we approach expiration, concepts like time value and extrinsic value come into play. Do you know what it means to use a put versus a call, or what it means to have a short position? You might also hear terms like cash secured or covered when discussing ways to make your trades safer. Do you know what margin is and why I strongly recommend against using it? And do you know what it means to take assignment when an option reaches expiration? An option may be out of the money or in the money during the term of the contract. This is called moneyness. Moneyness can impact the outcome of your trade. And finally, are you familiar with more advanced tactics like option spreads? And again, do you know why I don't recommend them for beginners? If any of these terms sound unfamiliar, or if you have heard them but are not confident about the meaning, it's time to dive deeper before you ask your broker to let you start trading options in your account. If you already know these terms, that's fantastic. You're ready to move ahead and start selling cash secured puts and covered calls. You can search online for instructions or find step-by-step how-to instructions in chapters 4 and 5 of my ebook and in my 2 Udemy courses on those topics. Remember, having a solid grasp of these terms is crucial before you start trading options. If you're unsure about any of them, don't worry. That's where the learning really begins. Head over to Investopedia for quick definitions or visit my website at saylorfinancialfundamentals.com. I would love to be your guide. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and insights. If you have topics you'd like to see me address, drop your suggestions in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.